In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix Bookings to your Wix site. This feature is a fantastic way to manage appointments and services directly through your website, making it easy for your clients to book time with you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to ensure you're in the Wix editor interface of your website. Once you've confirmed that, look towards the left side of your screen for the Add Apps icon. This will be your gateway to integrating new features. Clicking this icon will open up the Wix App Market, a treasure trove of applications designed to enhance your site's functionality. In the search bar at the top of the Wix App Market, type in Wix Bookings. This search will bring up the Wix Bookings app, as well as potentially some related tools, but we want to focus on clicking directly on the Wix Bookings app. After you've clicked on it, you'll see an option to Add to Site. Click that, and the system will start the integration process. Keep in mind that it might take a moment for the app to fully load into your site, so be patient as it processes. Once the Wix Bookings app has been successfully added to your site, you'll notice a new panel appearing on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your configuration hub for Wix Bookings, offering a range of customization options to tailor the booking experience to your needs. First, you'll want to add your services. Think carefully about what you're offering and set up each service with detailed descriptions, pricing, and any other relevant information clients might need. This clarity will help manage client expectations and ensure everyone is on the same page. Next, you're going to set your work hours. This step is crucial because it defines when you're available to meet with clients or host sessions. Make sure your hours are accurate and reflect any regular timetable you adhere to, while also considering holidays or breaks you might need. Finally, you'll set your payment methods. Whether you're accepting payment online or preferring in-person transactions, clear instructions here will make the process smoother for your clients. Ensure the methods are in place before you start accepting bookings to avoid any potential misunderstandings. Once you've customized all these settings, take some time to preview your site and test the booking process from a client's perspective. This will help you spot any potential issues and make sure the user experience is seamless and intuitive. And there you have it. You're now ready to effectively use Wix Bookings to manage your services and appointments. Thank you for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more. Happy booking!